Now, we look at another question which is under quadrilateral. So, quadrilateral. So, it is still under construction. Now, we are looking at quadrilateral. How to construct a quadrilateral. So, I'm using the same plain paper where we are constructing a triangle. Now we are going to constructing a quadrilateral. What do we do, or what do we need? What are we supposed to do? A quadrilateral, it is a polygon with four sides. So a quadrilateral, this is a polygon with 4 sides. The simplest, or rather one of the quadrilateral we know is a rectangle. A rectangle is a polygon with 4 sides, of which the opposite sides are equal in terms of the length and probably the angles. So the opposite sides. So in this case, we are constructing a quadrilateral which came in the year 2020, paper 2 GCE, and this is question number 5. Question number 5A. Question number 5A, Roman numeral number 1 says, construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which QR is equal to 6 centimeters. So you get your ruler, as usual, and you make the construction of 6 centimeters for QR. So I'll bring it here so that maybe I can have a good one. So I will say this one is my first point. Please, you start from 0. Don't start from 1. You always start from 0. Then I go up to my 6 there. So this is what I have. Then now I will join the 2 points which I've just made here. I will join the 2 points. So these are my 2 points. So this is my Q, and the other one is my R. So this is 6 centimeters QR. The next point is that maybe I show you the same question, just as I showed you under triangle. I want to believe this is visible. Please, you zoom it and you make sure that you read this question. This is the question we have. So make sure you screenshot it or you pause the video. Then you go through, you copy this question so that you follow it closely. Thank you. Question number Roman numeral, we have not yet done with question number Roman numeral number 1. We are now going to angle PQR. Angle PQR is 90. It is 90 degrees. So you get your protractor, you put it as usual on the Q. Make sure this line is at point Q. And make sure this line here, it is along QR. So you do like that. Then this is 90 degrees. From here you count 0, you move 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we have a 90 degrees. So this is our 90 degrees. This is our 90 degrees. So you just put a point there. Don't draw your, of course you can draw it. You can just move it like that, but let's just put a point. You'll still come back to that. Then we go to question. The other point says angle QRS, meaning there is S on top there. Angle QRS is 120. So on R, you put your protractor there and you draw your 120. You put your protractor and you draw your 120. So you move like this. This is 0, 10. Of course, let me put it like that so that people can see clearly. so that you can see here. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 there, 100, 110, 120. So that is a 120. So you put another point there to mean from R to that is 120. What is the other point? RS is 7 centimeters. From R to S, it is 7 centimeters. So you get your ruler and you make an arc. You get your compass and you make an arc of 7 centimeters. Make sure it is 7 centimeters like that. This is what we have. This is our 7 centimeters. Now, you do this. You make an arc like that. So that is our 7 centimeters. So we have no option. So we are going now to draw a line. This is where now we're going to draw a line. Our line, it will come from R. It will pass through where we made a point for our 120 degrees. Not until we go through up to 7 centimeters from R. So we are going to have something like this, which will be like that. So this is where we are going to put our S. That is our S. We go to the next question. Of course, it has not yet ended. We are told that PQ, P on top there, which we don't know if it's this side. If it's this side, we don't know. But it must be, there's an angle there. PQ is 10 centimeters. Now, what is our 10 centimeters? This is, so we open up to 10 centimeters. So we have something like this. This is the danger of having an assumption. Okay, allow me to redraw this one. Actually, to redraw it at the other page so that we have the clear thing here. So this is what we have. And this one is where our S is. Then this one, we said this is 7 centimeters. And the angle there, which as we have formed there, it is 120 degrees. This is what we have. Now, what are we going to have now? This is 90. You remember, there we have 90. So we'll pass through 90 degrees there, which we have just formed. Up to 10. We have our 10. So there, that's where our PQRS, our P. So that's where our P will be. Our P will be that side there. And this is 10 centimeters QP. That is what we have been told. Then if you don't mind this one, you can write it as 90. Or if you are intelligent enough, if you are not intelligent but knowledgeable, if you are knowledgeable enough, just put a 90 degrees like this. Okay. That is the 90. Or you follow what has been written, you write the 90 there. Then, since now we have drawn these three, just a matter of now connecting your AC and your P. They have to be connected. AC and P should be connected. This is what we have come up with. So this is the quadrilateral. Question number 1 has been answered. So make sure you pause the video. You try to do it on your own and see if you are going to come up with something like this. Question number 2 says, measure and write the size of angle QPS. QPS, what is this angle here? This is the question we are being asked. So you get your protractor, you put it, make sure this center here, this center here, it's supposed to be at P. Then this line is supposed to be along this line PQ, or you put it this side, this way. Meaning this line is supposed to be at the line of PS. Now myself, I'll put it this way. Then that one is at the center. Then this is like this. Now, you are going to count these angles. You count this, I'm starting from 0 there. So it will be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is not 70. I'm getting it as the 69. That is 69, but not 70. Because 70 is just after this line. So I'm getting that one as the 69. 69 degrees. So since this is Roman, remember this one is Roman numeral number 1, which is question number A. So Roman numeral number 2, you can write it here, somewhere there, so that you show them to say you know what you are doing. We have Q, P, and S is equal to 69 degrees. This is the answer. You underline it that way. The next question is question number B. Question number B says, on your diagram, draw the locus of points within the quadrilateral PQRS, which are, Roman numeral number 1 is that 8 centimeters from R. Where is our R? Our R is this. What is our 8 centimeters from R? You get your ruler. You get your ruler. You move like this. From there, you move 8 centimeters like that. We have 8 centimeters. So you put it on your R and you do this. Actually, it's supposed to be within. They are saying on your diagram, draw the locus of points within quadrilateral. So we are not supposed to go beyond that quadrilateral. We are not supposed to go beyond. Make sure your compass is not shaking so that you draw something which will make sense. Make sure that your compass is not drawing. Okay, so make sure that it is not shaking. So this one is my B1. My B, question number B, Roman numeral number 1. Question number Roman numeral 2. Question number B, Roman numeral 2 says equidistance from R and S. Now, when they say equidistant from R and S, you check where your R and your S is. So this is my R and this is my S. You can rotate. You can just continue rotating it. So you are going to open. So you are going to draw your. You are going to make an arc which is more than half of RS, like this. I'm sure you are seeing this, which is more than half. So you are going to bisect line RS. So you make an arc like that. Then again you come outside and make another arc. The arc has been formed. Then again you come to S and make another arc. An arc like that. Then you come to that arc there. Then now you join the two. You join the two arc. So from there, where they are bisecting up to there, you draw another arc. So you do this. This is what we have. So this one is Roman, is question number B. I will do it as B2. Roman numeral 2, which is equidistance from R and S. Then the other one, which is B3, Roman numeral 3, is that equidistance from PS and the RS. Now, when you check PS and RS, which letter is common? Automatically, the common letter there is S. So, meaning you are going to bisect the angle S, or this side the S, we bisect it. How do we bisect it? You first of all draw the arc, like this arc I've just drawn here, like this. After that, now you open it more than half. Of course, we don't have half here. You can open it as bigger as you feel. So, me, I've opened it like that. Then I will have something like that. And also something like this. After having where these two arcs are intersecting each other, I am going to draw a straight line, but it's supposed to be within the quadrilateral. So I will draw it like this up to there. That's where I will end. And this one is, I will name this line as my B Roman numeral number 3. So I do that. That is what we have. The next question is, A is a point. Oh, not A is a point. A point X, there's a point X. A point X within quadrilateral PQRS is such that it is less than or equal to 8 centimeters from R. Where is R? This is the R we have. What is 8 centimeters from R? That is the arc we made there. 8 centimeters from R. So it is less than, meaning it is either along the line, the same arc, or below the arc. That is the meaning of less than or equal to. Then it continues by saying nearer to S than R. Where is S? S is this side. Then R is this side. So we had this line here, which demarcated this line here. It divided the RS into 2 equal parts. So that point, it is nearer to this one. If it is below this and it's nearer to S, meaning it is this area here, this shape here. This is the area we have. Of course, the question has not yet ended. It continues by saying, and nearer to PS. There is PS, this is PS, nearer to PS than RS. It means there was a line which we had bisected S there. So this one is the one which is cutting RS and PS into 2 equal parts. So this one is nearer to this. Okay, shade the region which X must lie. So automatically the region will be this region. This is the region we are going to have. Is this difficult? Is this difficult? Can you fail your exam with such kind of explanations? Is this difficult? I want to believe this is not difficult, unless otherwise. I want to believe this is not difficult. So we can even indicate our region X where X lies. So this marks the end to our question. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you.